Giving a presentation from your laptop is challenging enough, without having to deal with wireless connection issues. Fortunately, now there's Screenbeam.
Oh, you don't need to use that cord. We've got Screenbeam. Oh, perfect. Let me show you.
Screenbeam makes it simple for employees and guests to wirelessly connect and share to the room display, creating a more collaborative and interactive experience than ever before. No more meeting delays. Presenters can switch seamlessly, making for an incredible wireless collaboration. Screenbeam supports all your favorite devices: Apple, Windows, Android, with native screen mirroring. A truly app-free experience for wireless collaboration. Using the latest enterprise Miracast technology with AGO, Screenbeam connects your device to any room display. We also support the use of interactive touch displays, providing real-time collaboration with the touchback feature and wireless inking. This is great for companies using Office 365 because inking is already built into every application. With Screenbeam in Office 365, inking is native, meaning you're actually annotating and drawing inside documents. Coupled with the power of Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, this means that works created in meetings are saved and distributed in real time. Now, when people go back to their workstations, they can continue working together without missing a beat. Both employee and guest devices have plenty of options to connect to the room display reliably, securely, and easily. Visit Screenbeam.com to find out how Screenbeam can transform your conference room into an area where smart meetings happen.